Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to update your profile information on CoinGecko. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the CoinGecko application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to CoinGecko if you haven't already done that. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and update your profile information on CoinGecko. But after that, let's check out what we actually have in front of us. In the bottom left corner, we have the market, we have the portfolio, the search, explore, and in the bottom right corner, the more options. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and update your profile information on CoinGecko. So guys, the first thing that you need to do, of course, to do this is go and log into your CoinGecko account and navigate you to your profile settings, which are down in the bottom right corner. Click more and click on my account. So there you have your account options. Then in the profile settings, you can update your details. The details that you can update when you click on your account is your email, password, subscription, manage subscription. You can delete your app. Here you can go and check out the app setting also. And down here we have your privacy policy and all of those things in one place that you can go and change about your account. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.